I was like, oh, story time. If you clicked on this video, you are ready to hear about the time that I saw ghosts, or as I like to call them, spirits. Either way, you want to hear my story, so go ahead and keep watching. Before we hop into this video, I just want to ask you to please like and subscribe. It really means a lot. My channel is all about DIY life, do-it-yourself, lifestyle, hair, makeup, nails. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into this video.
And sometimes, the most real things in the world are the things we can't see.
Hey, it's me. I just wanted to include that moment from the Polar Express, one of my favorite Christmas movies, because that is true. Even though you might not see spirits every day or ghosts, they are very much real. Keep watching. Okay, so I was in middle school. I believe I was in 6th grade. I was at home by myself. I went upstairs, put my book bag down so that I can go ahead and make myself a sandwich. Went downstairs, I made my sandwich. I was beginning to put the stuff back into the fridge. And then out of nowhere, this is where I was standing, and then this is where the fridge was. I go ahead and turn to put the stuff in the fridge, and bam, it was this blue lady. I was like, oh, like, what? She was just standing right there, and I was home by myself. And then I closed my eyes real fast because I couldn't believe it, and she was gone. I'm like, what the heck? She had a bun in her hair, she had a corset, and she looked really, really sad when she looked at me. She looked worried. Like, you could see the worry in her eyes, for real. Like, I'm serious. And she was blue, like she was transparent. She looked really sad. Like, I don't know, maybe she was like from the 1500s or something. But she didn't hurt me or anything, thank God. God is good. But she did scare the fat out of me, that's for sure. I was so frightened. I ran upstairs, closed the door since I was by myself, especially like so much worse, and watched some Zoe 101 on Team Nick, because what else is there to do? I had to use something to get that out of my head, you know what I mean? It's gonna scar my brain. And while I was sleeping there, I always slept underneath the covers because I could always feel something watching me all the time. I felt a presence, like I felt like someone was standing over the bed watching me every single night. And it's crazy. My sister saw her at a different time, and we all saw things, but we didn't speak about it until after we moved out of that place, because that complex was very haunted. She said that she was waiting for me downstairs in the living room by herself for us to watch a movie. I was upstairs getting something. And she said that the same blue lady was walking down the hall staring at her. Something like this. Yeah, like I said, it was really scary, and I really hope you watching this, it might change your perspective on if ghosts are real or not, because they definitely are. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning into this scary ghost story that really happened. You know, always remember to keep God by your side, because he will protect you. I believe that was our protector. That had to be like, there's a lot of evil spirits in there, a lot of ones that weren't as bad. I could tell, but you know, having God really protects you. So that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not yet, please like and subscribe. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day, because you guys are all beautiful people.